destiny helpers, it is as important as your life. I don't know if I've told you this story before. There was somebody that I used to know. I met him through going for surprise to sing, and I do not even know him. I did not know that he loves me so much. So I went for surprise to go and sing. I had to love surprise that day, even the day Timo lost it surprising him. I can never forget him. His name is Fosco. I can't forget him. And you know why I cannot forget him? I feel like Olúwa irú kí lélẹ̀.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Yínká Aláṣeyọrí ó ti jáde wá sọ sítórì láìfù rẹ̀ ní bí èèyàn kan bí ó ṣe help rẹ̀ o. Arábìnrin yìí ó ń sọ sítórì yìí lẹ́rìn bí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn bí wọ́n ṣe ń drag rẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Yínká Aláṣeyọrí.
I just met him. I went to sing, and it was just like, he said, Harrison, you brought this girl for me. I love her. God will bless her. God, and that was it. Ó ti tán. Nǹkan tẹ́niyẹn kò sọ nìyẹn. Lọ́ba dẹ̀ ní jẹ́ gba number, and he collected my number. I'm sure some of my team member knows this story, and most of you that follows me. Ọba sọ pé jẹ́ kí n gba number mania, kó gba number mi. Ó ti lọ àti kọrin bí maybe 6 months or 3 months or 4 months. I cannot remember. So eventually I left. Then there was a time I was supposed to go for Luli concert. So he now told me that okay, I went for during COVID. He now said, Yinka, I've never mentioned his name. This is the first time I mentioned his name. So he now said, Yinka, níbo lò ń gbé? That time I was praying. He now said, níbo lò ń gbé? And he now said, mo sọ pé mo ń gbé ní ìlú péjú ní side àwọn níbo ní ìlú péjú, because àwọn bòmí, I've gone to some houses. Ìlú péjú strange lójú wọn. Mushin, Oṣòdì, wọn gbọ́ rí, ó strange lójú wọn. Ọjọ́ tí mo sọ fún yàn kan pé mo fẹ́ ra lẹ̀ sí ibi báyìí, mo fẹ́ ra lẹ̀ sí bóyá Ogun State, àbí mo ti dárúkọ bóyá Arépo, àbí mo dárúkọ Ṣìmáwá. Èèyàn kan sọ fún mi, kì í ṣe this person that I'm talking about. He said, ṣé wọ́n máa ń da ẹran bẹ́ẹ̀ ni? Ṣé àwọn èèyàn ń gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni? Mo wá wo ẹni tó ń sọ ibi tí mo kúkú lọ Ìkòyí ni, so mi expect kẹ́ni yẹn gan mọ̀. Wọ́n á mọ story yẹn, mi expect kọ́ mọ̀ pé Ṣìmáwá Arépo. Mo wò pé yẹ kọ́ mọ̀ bẹ̀bọ̀, mi expect pé kọ́ máa sọ pé bóyá ẹran London àbí máa mo ní wọn ò dẹran bẹ́ẹ̀ o, wọ́n máa àwọn èèyàn ń gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n ní kì í ṣe kára tó ti ń tẹran. Mo ní ṣáìdì máa tún wá rìn sí wọn. Máa gbà yẹn ibi tí brain mi, ibi tó wò mí dé, ibi tí gbogbo nǹkan mi dé nípa kí n tiẹ̀ gádà, kí n lọ ra lẹ̀. It's my brother. Mi gbọ́ rí kéèyàn sọ pé ṣé wọ́n ń dẹran l'Arépo ni àbí wọ́n. Ṣẹ́ni mo wá wò títí pé Jésù ò gbọdọ̀ dá mi lóhùn. So I now went to the house. Mo lọ pé Ọlọ́run ò gbọdọ̀ dá mi lóhùn. Olúwa ò gbọdọ̀ dá mi lóhùn. Wọ́n ní gbogbo ibi tó ń dárúkọ tí mo tún sọ mọ́ pé tẹ́yìn náà bá lówó ẹ jẹ́ ara lẹ̀ síbẹ̀, ibẹ̀ yẹn máa tó lajú. Àṣé wọn ò tiẹ̀ ní plan láti lọ gbogbo bẹ̀yìn. Mo wá wò pé so ní Nàìjíríà láyé ìyàwó èèyàn wà tí wọn ò mọ̀, wọn ò ra lẹ̀ 500, wọn ò ra lẹ̀ tí mo fẹ́ rà, mo ló ti dà. Mo wá lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ àdúrà. Kò pẹ́ náà. Wọ́n ò mọ̀ pé àwọn, because ṣé mi ò mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn wà níbẹ̀ ni. Àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n mọ̀ a lot of places ni mo ń try láti sọ fún ẹ. Yes. So everything tó bá ní láàyè mi dùn máa ní ẹ́. Wọ́n kọ́ ni first person, wọ́n kọ́ ni last. Kódà gbogbo nǹkan tó ní tó fi ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ gan, òun lẹ́lòmíì fi ń jẹun lọ́jọ́ kan. So mo wá wọnú ilé lọ, mo wá pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn délé pẹ̀lú àwọn tí mo gbé. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ibi tá ti ń bọ̀ ìwọ̀n ọmọ ibi tó ń jẹ́ Arépo, Ṣìmáwá, ọmọ páwọn èèyàn rà lẹ́bẹ̀. Yes, I'm telling you. I am telling you, wọn mọ̀ pọ́n rà lẹ̀ síbẹ̀. N bá délé, n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ àdúrà bí máa ṣe pèrè pé wọ́n ní wọ́n máa gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. orin yẹn bless wa, má gbé gbogbo bẹ̀ yẹn mọ́ torí safety, torí gbá o, torí àwo máa ń pè mí kẹ̀ yẹn ló mo ní kí mo ní ègbèmí tẹ́gbẹ́ máa ń kíyàn lọ kíyàn bọ̀ ni kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ ọba nínú pé kí n lọ ná ilé mi ilé ever gbàgbé. Mo bá bẹ̀rẹ̀, mo bá pe 1 or 2 people tí mo mọ̀, mo bá lọ sájà o, mo bá pe agent káàkiri wá tó 16. Rachel wà bíbẹ̀ rí ó ní he said is that the place is the place not a poultry ni bó ṣe sọ ni pé ṣé kò ṣe poultry ṣé kì í kàn ṣe bó máa ń ṣe farming bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi ò lè gbàgbé bó bá ní kí n lọ, mo bá pe agent jọ òun bá ní ire mi ti dé, ayọ̀ mi ti dé, mo bá lọ sùn mú nà gẹ̀rẹ́. Àṣà àwọn olóore mi gan ní àwọn tó ń lé wọn, èmi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ pé àwọn tó ń lé mi gan kéré sáwọn tó ń lé àwọn olùrànlọ́wọ́ àyànmọ́ mi. I am telling you, àwọn tó ń lé wọ́n bíntín sáwọn tó ń lé àwọn olùrànlọ́wọ́ àyànmọ́ ẹ̀. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé táwọn bá ráwọn yẹn attack kò lè ṣe é lóore. Mo bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pé agent, mo pe bọ̀dá Sam, mo pa àwọn èèyàn káàkiri, mo tún lọ online, mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣa nọ́mbà jọ, agent 1, agent 2, agent 3, mo dé oral estate, mo dé Lekki country. Nígbà tí mo sọ bí i 5 years ago, wọ́n ní 50 million 3 bedroom 4 kí ló pè náà 5 bedroom 4 bedroom duplex. Mo ló ti pọ̀ jù, èmi tó fẹ́ ṣàánú mi fẹ́ mílíọ̀n yẹn gan ti ẹ̀ pọ̀ létí mi, èló mo ní tẹ̀ ń wá lé mílíọ̀n. So mo ń wá nǹkan tí ò ti ẹ̀ pọ̀ rárá tí wọ́n fi ní sọ pé mi ò ṣe mọ́. Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ máa fún yàn tó máa sọ pé mi ò ṣe minimum owó torí mo pé owó olówó ni èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ náà kùnà. Ẹni tó ṣàfẹ́ ṣe mí lóore òun náà ní family member, òun náà tún láwọn tó máa tún fẹ́ help. Mo ní 50 million kẹ́ ó ti pọ̀ jù pé nǹkan tí mo wọ̀. Mo ní I don't want this kind of house, so I want small house like that somebody want to buy for me. Bá ní kó lọ́wọ́ ní 25, bá lọ sí oral estate, a rí 3 bedroom flat, a rí 35. Mo pé 35 yìí náà ṣe pọ̀ o. Kó lọ sọ̀rọ̀ pé 35 million ó pọ̀ gan mọ́ pé ṣé mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé 35 million ṣá. Bí mo ṣe pè wọ́n ní bá ní pé mi ò ní pè 35 pé èmi náà máa pray kí n ró ní 25 pé màá sọ 25 so that wọ́n á lè tètè rà fún mi. Á dá fún yín wọ́n mi Fáwọlé Fẹ̀yìntọ́lá àǹtí mi, á dá fún yín. Mo ti sọ́rí, mo bá ní màá pray, mo bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ àdúrà. Mo bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ àdúrà pé mo kọ̀ pé wọ́n ní mo ní dáàdì mo ti rò ní 25 kan ní inú oral estate. Mo mọ̀ pé 2 bedroom bó jẹ́ 2 bedroom ṣáà tí ẹ̀ jẹ́ ńlá kí n kúrò ńbẹ̀ kó kéré kó má jẹ́ nǹkan tó pọ̀ torí 25 yẹn gan ṣì pọ̀ létí mi. Ó ti pọ̀ jù gan láti sọ fún yàn pé 25 million nígbà yẹn. Mo bá pè bàbá yẹn bá ní irú ilé wo ló fẹ́ ra 25 million. Ṣé mọ̀ kínú máa bí olóore tó fẹ́ ṣàánú yín pé irú ilé wo ló fẹ́ ra 25 million, ilé yẹn kéré náà. Okay. So it was like, you want to hear the story. I'm talking about one of my, yes. This is the first time I'm mentioning his name because I met him briefly in a space of 2 months and he was eager to do that for me. So he has never left my memory. From that moment, that was when I realized how much I have to pray for my destiny helpers. How much I have to pray for my benefactor than I pray for myself. So a lot of people, I did not even know. So it was like, Yinka, Magbele 25 million. Don't stay in a house that is 25 million. It's not for your class. And I'm like, my class? You mean my own class? Class wo money? Class wo jero ni? Èmi tá anu gbé sókè class ke. Oh Lord. Mo ko bàbá yóò fẹ́ mo ní daddy. Ẹ má worry. Mo like mo ní class ẹ wà okay. Mo ní ẹ kọ ra yẹn fún mi mo ti wà okay pẹ̀lú class yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ mo wà okay gan. Wọ́n ní no, that's not what I want for you. I want you to have your privacy. Odoju eba. Man, and I said, okay, I saw another one for 35 million, another one for 50. I said, she only 40 million. Toba wow, okay, in United States, to just duplex. There is a duplex. It might be twin duplex, it might be beginning. You can just take one of it for your privacy. That was it, though. And I was looking for Ile. Could it be? It's not up to 2 weeks. I was still looking for. And I was seeing the news everywhere that YINKA ALASEYORI went to sing somewhere, and the house collapsed. Do you know that my brain, my memory, my opolomi, my medulla oblongata was not awaking? I'm like, no matter, I reject it. Like, I was just like, I reject it. It's not my portion. And when I'm looking for something, I go all the way. I'll be calling people. I won't get tired. You see, I did not even. I was saying the story. YINKA ALASEYORI kinika. I'm like, a war. Emiko kinika. The next moment, I saw myself on the house. No, I saw a house collapse at Ikoyi. I'm like, Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́ má jẹ́ kó pààyàn. I'm just like that, like normal, the way you be sympathizing with people. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kó pààyàn, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kó ṣe kíní kan. And that was it. I've never seen it in my life. I just saw YINKA ALASEYORI went to sing in so place. The same house, kíní kan that she went to sing, that was kíní kan. Me go to Tishi until I saw a video of Daddy Freeze that I did not wear akoto. Is it the same house? And I just asked her, is it Ile tó wà ní Ìkòyí? Oni pe as in every time I pass through that place, the shock is still always on me, because for every reason I went to that place. I met him there. He was there. You know, when you do something and you know that this thing is good, I cannot convince myself otherwise that mama pe mo nse nkan tó bá ń kọ́lé tí ilé ò bá dá, ó ní fẹ́ dúró síbẹ̀ rárá, ó tiẹ̀ ní fẹ́ dúró pẹ́ síbẹ̀ gan. Débi tá máa sọ pé ó wá ń jókòó every day. That day for that surprise, I went upstairs. They were trying to trick him down. It was in that building. It was still there. I had to enter one elevator to fin ko material ni mo lò. And I'm like, So when that thing happened, I was analyzing it. To ban shin continue, but I will pray. Imagine Josie by. But you are always there. And to now crown it all, èyí tó wà gangan lówó. Ibẹ̀ ni brain ni ti scatter pé This is it. This is it. Your helpers need your prayer. Your destiny helper need your prayer. I remember it was 3. One méjèèjì ti dúró, ẹlẹ́nkẹta wọ́n lọ wọ́n ti kọ́. I don't even know which one it was. Bóyá ìta lọ kọrin ni o. Because the shock kò jẹ́ kí n lè gbà Ìkòyí. Anytime I'm passing there, I cannot but look at that house. Tell my team member. They know. That shock is still. I can never forget. I can never forget Ibidunni Ighodalo. More reason why you have to pray for your destiny helper more than you pray for yourself. Because if they are not fulfilled, you are not fulfilled. Just imagine pé èèyàn tó wò pé ẹni yìí ló ń ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Nǹkan kan ò gbúdọ̀ ṣe level tó yẹ kó wà nìyẹn. Nǹkan kan ò gbúdọ̀ ṣe, ọwọ́ ayé ò gbúdọ̀ ká, kò gbúdọ̀ jábọ́. Ayé ò gbúdọ̀ rí mú. Tó bá torí ẹ̀gbẹ́ bọ ẹbọ yẹn kó pa wọ́n. That is it. That is it. That is why you need to pray for your destiny helper more than you pray for yourself. Because tí kò bá ti ráyé gbé, báwo ni ìwọ gan ṣe fẹ́ ráyé lò? Tí ò bá ti ráyé ṣe, tí ò bá ti rí owó, tí ò bá ti rí, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ náwó oore sí ẹ? You need to pray for your destiny helper. Láti ọjọ́ yẹn. Láti ọjọ́ yẹn. Títí di ọ̀la. I won't stop praying for all of my destiny helpers. Àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n rí pé kọ́ má tiẹ̀ gbọ́ pé nǹkan o need láti ṣe nǹkan ni wọ́n á ti dìde láti gbé. Yes, those are your destiny helpers. You need to pray. Má jẹ́ káyé gbolóore lọ́wọ́ mi. Má fi ikú gbolóore lọ́wọ́ mi. Má jẹ́ káyé fi ikú àìtọ́jọ́ gbolóore lọ́wọ́ mi. I was perplexed. That story made me feel like, kì í ṣe torí tèmi nìkan, torí oríṣiríṣi àyànmọ́ tó so mọ́ bàbá yẹn. The next day mo kàn ń gbọ́ pé wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe báyìí fún òun náà, wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe báyìí fún òun náà, wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe báyìí fún. A lot of people now came out. They were saying a whole lot of things. Tó ti promise wọn pé tó bá dọjọ́ Monday, tó bá dọjọ́ Monday, tó bá dọjọ́ Monday, tó bá dọjọ́ Monday, tó bá dọjọ́ Monday.